Good day, everyone. We are the Team Tech Ability. My name is Julian Roy Aceron,
My name is John Patrick Dison.
And my name is Rico Jan El Vallescas.
and we're here to pitch our business idea. Are you having difficulty teaching in modern age? Getting tired of keeping your class focused? As you may have noticed, the traditional teaching methods used in classrooms are so often insufficient when it comes to holding a student's attention. Younger generations are known for their short attention span and, in turn, they are easily distracted. This proves to be a challenge for our instructors, especially when we're at the peak of technological advancement.
Here in Tech Ability, we want to provide a better way of learning of our learners, as well as new method of teaching for our upcoming instructors. It's our goal to reshape the future of learning and ensure that everyone is getting the proper education they deserve.
Upon thinking about the issue at hand, we asked the one simple question: how do we combat this? And we figured, well, we just have to keep up with the times. Our solution involves a smart AI integrated learning ecosystem designed to make learning attractive, exclusive, and teaching more mobile and easier than before. Enter smart classes, we are invention meets education.
Smart class system includes smartboard, interactive desk, and customizable classroom features, all managed through an app. Instructors can easily control these devices, set a mood for the classroom, deliver their lessons more efficiently, and even receive an AI-driven assistance.
First off, we got a smart boards. These are the ordinary whiteboards. Smart boards are touch responsive, integrate display that allow instructors to write, draw, present, and even attracted with their students in real time. Need to highlight something on the fly? No problem. Want to switch between slides and videos seamlessly? Easy. Our smart boards also with a Kim multiple language supports in real time translation to make learning more exclusive for more multiplication classroom.
Next is interactive desks. We designed this with learners in mind. Each desk is equipped with its own touchscreen panel, allowing students to participate actively, whether it's answering a quiz, joining a group activity, or giving feedback instantly. It's all about making a learning feel less like a lecture and more like an experience. Plus, everything syncs to the teacher's smartboards so everyone stay on the same page.
Last but not the least, features the smart class app. This the command center. Teachers can control everything from adjusting the classroom, lighting, to starting the lesson, assigning activities, and even receiving a real-time AI assistant for a lesson suggestion or managing students' behavior. With a just few taps, instructors can transform their classroom into a space that's not only smart but personalized to the needs of their learners.
Here in Tech Ability, we do not want to just stop at smartboards and desks. We believe a truly modern classroom goes beyond screens. It's an entire environment to build to keep learners engaged and teachers empowered. That's why Smart Class comes with a full suite of intelligence devices designed to make the classroom not only more efficient but more dynamic and immersive. Smart lighting system. Lighting has a huge effect on focus, mood, and productivity. With our customizable smart lighting, teacher can shift from a calm, relaxed setting to a bright, energetic one in seconds right from the app or even through voice command. This essentially transforms the classroom into an environment that adjusts to the needs of lesson and students. Noise canceling units. Whether you are in city, campus, or just dealing with rowdy hallways, distractions can seriously mess with your flow. Smart Class integrates noise canceling tech to help keep your learning space quiet and focused. Voice control classroom settings. With Smart Class, voice commands can control your classroom, adjust the lights, start the live streams, pull up a file on the smartboard, all without leaving your spot. All in one structure app. And of course, we can forget the brain of the system, the app. Teachers can control all devices in one place, assign tasks, adjust classroom settings, and even get help from the built-in AI assistants. It's teaching with less hassle and more info.
Who is our target market for Smart Class? Because as you can tell, Smart Class was made with inclusivity in mind. Because learning isn't one size fits all, our target market includes educational institutions. Starting from public schools to private universities, we aim to modernize classrooms across all levels, whether it's a small elementary class or a full college lecture hall. Smart Class adapts the needs of both teachers and students, teachers and educators. For instructors who want to take their teaching methods to the next level, Smart Class offers tools that make lessons more interactive, engaging, and easier to deliver without lugging around heavy materials. We also accommodate students of all learning styles, visual learners, auditory learners, those who need more hands-on experiences. Everyone could benefit from this. With real-time translation and interactive devices, even students with learning difficulties or language barriers are left behind. Startup cost breakdown. To bring Smart Class to life, we'll need an initial investment that covers research, development, production, and initial market deployment. Here's a breakdown of our estimated startup cost. Research and development, prototyping and product testing, smartboard manufacturing setup, app and ecosystem development, marketing and launch campaign, legal and licensing procedures, operational setup, contingency funds, and last is our total estimated cost, which is 8 million. Potential funding sources. To fund the development and early deployment, we have explored the following: government grants, which include Department of Science and Technology Innovation Grants, DOST, CHED, and DepEd Technology Advancement Programs, as well as local government education funds. We would also look for private investors and VCs. We would reach out to venture capitalists, focus on edtech, and angel investors who support educational innovation and digital learning. We are also interested in corporate partnerships, collaborations with local tech firms, hardware manufacturers, or telecom companies, are distribution. Startup accelerators. We would apply to programs like Idea Space, QBO Innovation Hub, or Launch Garage, as well as local startup supporters who receive funding, mentorship, and exposure. Last is crowdfunding. We will launch a campaign on platforms like Seed In, Go Get Funding, or Kickstarter to generate early interest and funds.